Hello guys, we are introducing my house. Let's go to the video. Finish. Oh yeah. Then that's the TV guys. So that yan. Lagayan yan guys ng mga minsan ginagamit ni mama, mga laruan ko or what. Dito kami nagkakain sa lamesa. Sa lamesa niyan, yan remote ng TV. Walaan yung ano rep namin, ano niya. Yes, tama kayo pag Panasonic. And tama nga pag Panasonic eh. Buti naman din inverter to guys. Ito naman din yung kitchen. Yung mga gamit ni mama. Dito man yung yan yung sink. Or ano ba ulit? Tapos yan, kapitbahay namin tulog na. Sis, manahimik na tayo guys. Huwag na kayo maingay. Tapos yung isa na naman, isang katabi ng kapitbahay namin. Kapitbahay. Yun tuloy, gising pa rin. So guys, yes! Dito na tayo sa kwarto. Kasi yung kwarto namin, no? Ito, medyo dark. So, guys, ayan. Ayan ang kwarto. Ito, mauna namin. Tapos, ito, lagayan. Tapos, yan, damit, towel. Dito yung ito, sling bag ko to sa school. So, ayan yung kaibigan ko na hotdog. Yes. So, we are introducing our guitar. My brother said me this guitar is for you. Kaya, ikinig ko na lang. Yeah. I don't use my guitar right now, but I'm not practicing because of my mom. So, that's all. So, guys, let me think if you like it. Yeah. This video is ended. So like and subscribe please. And don't forget to remember I'm playing basketball. I'm playing basketball, bro. I'm not a shooter. I have even a ball, but I can't prove it, bro. Yeah, I don't want to prove it right now. Yeah.